Wise balance missing. Fix. If your wise balance is missing, do not worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. Step 1. Check your recent activity. Open Wise and review your transaction history for pending transfers or top-ups. Step 2. Refresh the app or website. Log out and back in, or refresh the page to fix sync issues. Step 3. Verify your account. Complete any pending verification steps to remove restrictions. Step 4. Check for pending top-ups or refunds. Pending transactions may not show immediately in your balance. Step 5. Update the app. Make sure your Wise app is up to date. Step 6. Contact Wise support. If the balance is still missing, contact Wise support in the app with your account details. Tips: keep track of pending transactions, verify your account, and save screenshots for support. And that's it. You now know how to fix a missing Wise balance. Thank you for watching.